remarkable achievement. Papers to be laid on the table. Shri Pankaj Chaudhary.
सभापति महोदय, मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने मत संख्या 1 का पर वर्णित कागजात आपकी अनुमति से सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
श्रीमती अनुप्रिया पटेल.
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in the revised list of business for today.
Shri Shantanu Thakur.
Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the paper mentioned against my name, the serial number 1C, in today's revised list of the business. Thank you, sir.
Shri Harsh Malhotra.
On the table of the House as mentioned against my name at serial number 1D in today's revised list of business.
श्रीमती नीमू बेन जयंती भाई बामभड़िया.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 1E पर अपने नाम के आगे उल्लेखित कागजात हिंदी और अंग्रेजी में सभा पटल पर रखती हूं। धन्यवाद।
लेइंग ऑफ CAG रिपोर्ट श्री भूपति राजू श्रीनिवास वर्मा.
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, I lay the papers on the table of the House pertaining to Ministry of Steel mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in the revised list of business for today, the 29th July 2020.
Statements of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Communications and Information Technology, Dr. Sasmit Patra. Srimati Priyanka Chaturvedi.
So you'll have to give me a minute. I wasn't prepared for this, sir. Yeah. So I rise to lay on the table a copy each in English and in Hindi of the statements showing further action taken by the government on the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Communication and IT. First report on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations of the committee contained in its 57th report, 17th Lok Sabha, on Department of Posts, Initiatives and Challenges pertaining to Ministry of Communications, Department of Posts. Sixth report on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations of the committee contained in its 56th report, 17th Lok Sabha, on regulation of cable television in India pertaining to the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. And third, seventh report on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations of the committee contained in its 54th report on digital payment and online security measures for data protection pertaining to the Ministry of Electronics and IT. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Sri Ramji Bhai Harji Bhai Mokaria.
नमस्ते उपसभापति जी, मैं आपके अनुमति से विभाग संबंधित उपभोक्ता मामले, खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति 2024-25 के निम्नलिखित प्रतिवेदनों को एक कॉपी प्रति अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। नंबर 1, उपभोक्ता मामले, खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगे 2024-25 के संबंध में समिति के 5वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतरिष्ट सम्मुक्त या सिफारिशों पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई संबंधी चौथा प्रतिवेदन, 9वां प्रतिवेदन और उपभोक्ता मामले, खाद्य और सार्वजनिक वितरण मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगे 2024-25 के संबंध में समिति के 6ठे प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सम्मुखता पर सरकार द्वारा की गई कार्रवाई संबंधी 10वां प्रतिवेदन रखता हूं। थैंक यू। वंदन।
Reports of the Committee on Public Accounts, Dr. K. Lakshman.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. With your kind permission, sir, I would like to rise to lay the Hindi and English versions of the report numbers 26th, 27th and 28th of the Public Accounts Committee 2025-26 as listed against my name in today's list of business in serial number 4. Number 1, 26th report on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations of the Public Accounts Committee contained in their 87th report, 17th Lok Sabha, on irregularities in receipt and utilization of compensation and grossly irregular and manipulated award and execution of work relating to the renovation of the basement at India House, London, leading to undue benefits being extended to the contractor. Number 2, 27th report on action taken by the government on the observations, recommendations of the Public Accounts Committee contained in their 113th report, 17th Lok Sabha, on development of railway land for commercial use by Rail Land Development Authority. Number 3, 28th report on the action taken by the government on the observations or recommendations of the Public Accounts Committee contained in their 141st report, 17th Lok Sabha, on loss of revenue due to non-registration of lease agreement. Thank you.
Report of the Development Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, Shri Sant Balveer Singh. Shri Sant Balveer Singh, Shri Iranna Kadadi.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सम्मुख यथा सूचीबद्ध ग्रामीण विकास एवं पंचायती राज संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 15वां प्रतिवेदन हिंदी एवं अंग्रेजी संस्करण सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
स्टेटमेंट बाय मिनिस्टर श्री पंकज चौधरी।
उपसभापति महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से वित्त मंत्रालय, आर्थिक कार्य व लोक उद्यम तथा निवेश और लोक संपत्ति प्रबंधन विभाग के अनुदान मांगों 2025-26 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधित वित्त संबंधित संसदीय स्थायी समिति के 8वें प्रतिवेदन में अंतर्विष्ट सिफारिशें समुक्तियों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध में वक्तव्य देता हूं।